dear students, welcome to Rankers Academy. Today we will discuss VLSI design basics. VLSI design basics. So VLSI design is nothing but total. It is depends on P mass, N mass and C mass. So N mass, P mass, P mass as well as C mass. So based on N mass, P mass, C mass will be constructed. For this only we are designing stick diagrams, this one only we were designing layouts, everything. First of all, what is N mass, what is P mass, how the C mass circuits we are designing, we will discuss in this video. So simply N mass is, its corresponding symbol is this one. So N mass, this is the drain, this one is a drain, source and gate, drain, source and gate. So VGS voltage, this is nothing but gate to source voltage. VDS voltage, this was the drain to source voltage. Gate to source voltage will be treated as input voltage, drain to source voltage will be treated as a output voltage. When VGS, gate to source voltage is low, simply we have to treat, that is nothing but N mass is operates in cutoff region. In this cutoff region it will be in off, it will act as a open circuit, open switch means when the gate voltage will be low, N mass is off, it will act as a open circuit. This is the first point. Second point, when the gate to source voltage is high voltage, when the gate to source voltage is high voltage, N mass is operated in saturation region. N mass is operated in saturation region. In saturation region it will be treated as a on. In this on it will act as a short circuit. So open switch when the low voltage, when the input is high voltage it will act as a short circuit. Once you have to remember one point, N mass means N is, you have to thought as a negative is means when we have to apply low voltage, negative means low voltage, it will be off. When we have apply high voltage it will be on, opposite direction. Like similarly we have to discuss about P mass. When the P mass is on, when the P mass is off, we have to know these 2 points. So with bubble, that one without bubble, here we have to keep bubble. This is the gate, drain and source. So with bubble we will call P mass, without bubble we will call N mass. Here when gate to source voltage, VGS voltage is low voltage, with that low voltage after bubble it will belongs to the high voltage. So P mass operates in saturation region. In this saturation region it will be treated as a on, it will act as a short circuit, short switch. When gate to source voltage VGS is high voltage, that corresponding P mass transistor will be operated in cutoff region. In cutoff region it will be off, then it will act as a open circuit. So now C mass is nothing but, it is the combination of P mass as well as N mass. So in this video we have to discuss how we have to draw N mass circuits, P mass circuits as well as C mass circuits. In next video we will discuss layouts for P mass, N mass and C mass. In next video we have to discuss stick diagrams for N mass, P mass as well as C mass. So first of all, we have to know how we have to draw the circuit diagram. That is the important thing. So my name is Praveen. Already you know very well. So we have to discuss based on my name today. So what is our name? My name is here Praveen. Praveen sir. So we have to consider this P, Q means you can thought like I am teaching here three subjects in this channel. So PQ means first P stands for PMOS, second P stands for product terms, and third P stands for parallel connection. How we will connect it means PMOS product term, product means dot, PMOS product terms parallel connection. This is the hint to remember my name with total subject. So next PMOS for serial terms, means it is for plus terms, it is a series connection. Next NMOS for product terms, series connection, opposite direction. Product terms की series, serial terms की parallel. Like NMOS for serial terms, parallel connection. So you have to remember this PQ formula. Based on this, we have to design any circuits, any Boolean expression circuit we will easily draw. So now we have to discuss about NMOS circuits. How we have to draw NMOS circuits? NMOS logic will be implemented below demarcation line. Means suppose it will be designed like this. So this is the input voltage, this one is VSS, here VDD power supply, RD resistance, here this is the output voltage. This is nothing but NMOS inverter. In this NMOS inverter, here when the input voltage is applied here, output will be produced. When input voltage is low voltage, in case 1 we have to discuss when the input voltage is low. Already we have discussed NMOS is in off position, means it will be operated in cutoff region. It will act as a open circuit, open switch. When it is open, the total VDD is passed to the output side, so output voltage is high voltage. In case 2, when the input voltage is high voltage, NMOS is on, it will act as a short circuit. Then the total VDD is passed through the short circuit path to the ground. Output voltage across short circuit terminal will be low voltage. Output voltage is low. So here this resistor is a passive element. To fabricating this one on single silicon chip, it is very typical. So that's why we have to remove this resistor. In place this one, we have to connect one transistor. That transistor behaves like a resistor. So for that we have to consider here depletion mode MOSFET, NMOS. Here there is no gate supply. Depletion mode case inbuilt channel is there, that's why I am writing here like this. So here VDD gate is connected to the source with output voltage. Why? Because we are not applying any gate voltage, it is having inbuilt channel. So directly the VDD is passed through this one. This depletion mode MOSFET will act as a resistor. So in below you can write that logic, corresponding logic, input voltage VSS. Then this one we are easily fabricating. So all NMOS's case, you have to consider above part depletion mode MOSFET, below part enhancement MOSFET. Enhancement MOSFET will having on off switch, on off modes, but depletion mode having only on. Why? Because inbuilt channel will be there. Here there is no channel. Like you can design NAND gate. If you want to design NAND gate, Y is equal A dot B whole bar is there. So this is implemented for complemented terms only. For that already I am told PQ formula. PMOS, product terms, parallel connection. This is the NMOS with NMOS. This is the product term. How we will implement this one? NMOS లో product terms ని సిరీస్ కనెక్షన్ చేయాలి. సిరీస్. సో చూడండి, సిరీస్ లో కనెక్షన్ చేస్తున్నా. This is the A and this one is B. Sorry, we have to connect in series. So this one is connected in series. Product term in series B. So VSS. Here you can implement the depletion mode MOSFET. In place of resistor, you can connect the depletion mode MOSFET. This is the output voltage. This one is VDD. So this one is these two are enhancement mode MOSFETs. This one is depletion mode MOSFET. So you can explain this one functional table like if we can take A and B are inputs. You can assign here T1, T2 are transistors, T1 and T2. We does not need to write depletion mode MOSFET. Then you can output voltage. If A voltage is low voltage, B voltage is low voltage, that corresponding T1 transistor with that low voltage NMOS is off. This is also off. When both are off, output voltage directly VDD is passed to the output side. This one is high voltage. When A voltage is low, B voltage is high. A voltage is low, B voltage is high. A is off, B is on, but it will be open. A is off means it is open. This one is shorted, but VDD will not be flows through this path. Why? Because one transistor is open. That's why VDD is passed to the output side. A voltage is high, B voltage is low. So this transistor is on, it will be off. Output voltage is high. When both the transistors are high, both the transistors are on, both will act as a short circuit terminal. So output voltage will be collected across this short circuit terminal, low voltage. So this functional table will be look like a NAND operation. That's why it is a NAND logic by using NMOS. Similarly, we have to take NOR logic. NOR means Y is equal to A plus B whole bar is there. So A plus B series terms will be implemented with parallel in NMOS. So you can consider here parallel circuit. This is A and this one is B. These two are shorted here. This is connected to the VSS. So these two are shorted. Here above part you have to design depletion mode MOSFET. So inbuilt channel will be there. So this is the output voltage. This one is VDD with respect to ground. So you can assign T1, T2. So in this A plus B serial terms parallel connection, parallel terms product terms series connection will be there. So here also you can assume A, B, T1, T2 output voltage is there. You can consider A voltage is low voltage, B voltage is low voltage. When both are low, output voltage both are off transistors, then that corresponding output voltage will be, when both are open, output voltage will be passed to the VDD high voltage. So when low voltage, high voltage, low voltage means that corresponding transistor is off, high means it is on. When one transistor is on means the output voltage passed through short circuit terminal to the ground, so output voltage is low. high voltage, low voltage, this is on, this one is off, output voltage is low. Both are high, both transistors is on, both are short circuited, output voltage will be low. Like this will act as a NOR logic. So now we have to discuss about PMOS logic. Exactly opposite to NMOS. In this PMOS inverter we have to see, in inverter case, above we have to implement that corresponding logic. Here A is input, below we have to connect that corresponding resistor. This is the VSS, this one is VDD, output voltage is this one, output voltage is this one. So in case 1 we have to consider, if A is equal to input voltage is equal to low voltage, input voltage is equal to low voltage, then the corresponding PMOS is on, it will act as a short circuit. When it is short circuited, the VDD is passed to the output side, output voltage is high voltage. In case 2, if A voltage is high voltage, PMOS is off, it will act as a open circuit. Whenever it will be opened, VDD will not be passed, output voltage across VSS means output voltage will be low voltage. This is a resistor, this resistor is also passive element, so we have to replace that one with a depletion mode MOSFET. So for that we can consider this one input voltage VDD, here the depletion mode MOSFET, this will be connected like this, inbuilt channel will be there. So here VSS, there is no need of voltage, low voltage, that's why it will be connected to the drain connection. Like we have to implement NAND logic. Here in NAND logic, y is equal to, you can consider that equation A dot B whole bar is there. For this in this PMOS, product terms are there, we have to connect parallel connection. So we can consider this one is A, again here this one is B, these two are connected, this is VDD. In below part, this is the depletion mode MOSFET, so inbuilt channel will be there, so with bubble you can connect this one, this is the output voltage VSS, T1 transistor, T2 transistor. Then the circuit will act as a NAND logic. If we want to design NOR logic, so you have to consider y is equal A plus B whole bar, So in this case, these two are serial terms. In PMOS serial terms, we have to connect series. So for that I am considering here series. So this is A, here it is B, and below part, that is depletion mode MOSFET. Below part we have to consider, that is depletion mode MOSFET. So this is the output voltage VSS, this is a VDD. The circuit will act as a NOR logic. Coming to CMOS case, we have to design inverter. CMOS is nothing but it is combination of PMOS as well as NMOS. So in depletion modes, in both cases we have to remove the depletion modes, we can attach PMOS. So above part we have designed a PMOS logic, below part we have designed NMOS logic. These two are attached here. From that we can connect output voltage. This is the VDD, this one is VSS. These two are shorted, single input, you can assign V input voltage. This is the PMOS, this one is NMOS. How the operation will be done here, we will check. When the input voltage is there, here we have to consider PMOS function as well as NMOS function. After that V output voltage. If the input voltage is low voltage, that corresponding PMOS is on, NMOS is off, output voltage. When the PMOS is on, the VDD is passed to the output side high voltage. Like if the input voltage is high, PMOS is off, NMOS is on, so this will be act as a short circuit. Output voltage is connected to the low voltage. Output voltage is connected to the low voltage. Like this circuit will act as a CMOS inverter. We have to discuss now CMOS NAND logic. CMOS NAND logic. In this CMOS NAND logic, we have to use PQ formula. So Y is equal to A dot B whole bar is there. PMOS, first PMOS, product terms we have to connect parallel. So this is A and this one is B. Here these two are connected to the VDD. And below part, this is AB, PMOS over parallel connection. In below NMOS, product terms ni NMOS lo ela undali, series lo undali. So you have to connect in series. This is A, this is B, VSS. So these two A's are short circuited. You can apply here single A, and these two B's are short circuited here. You can apply here single B. In PMOS and NMOS, in between you can consider that corresponding output voltage. Like you can design CMOS NOR logic also, by using PMOS logic. A plus B whole bar is there. A plus B whole bar means first of all we have to design PMOS. This is series, so serial connection. Series means serial connection it will have. So A, this is the B, VDD. In between this one you can connect that corresponding output voltage. Below serial terms, here parallel connection. So we can connect here parallel. This is the A and here B term. These two are shorted. This is connected to the VSS. So here these two A's are short circuited. Single A you can apply. These two B's are short circuited. You can apply here single B. Then the circuit will behave as a NOR logic. You can take any equation by using single formula. We can take any Boolean expression. Y is equal, suppose A plus B bar C whole bar is there. We can design using CMOS. This is one Boolean equation. If bar is not there, we have to keep 2 times bar, we can implement. Or otherwise we can implement normally. After that output side you can connect extra NOT gate. So first of all, how to design this circuit means these two are product terms. PMOS lo product terms unte ela cheyali parallel connection. So we can consider this is the B bar as well as C. B bar C. These two are connected to the parallel. Along with plus sign is there, series. A will be connected to the series. Is it clear? B bar dot C, product terms parallel connection, series term serial connection along with serial. In below part we have to do opposite to that one. So you can consider B and C. These two are series terms, B bar and C, and A will be along with parallel connection. This will be connected to the VSS. In between you can consider that output voltage. Suppose we have AND gate A dot B, there is no bar, then you have to take 2 times of bar. We can implement this logic circuit by using CMOS. After that you can keep one NOT gate extra. Product terms A dot B, product terms ela undali, parallel connection. So this is the A and this one is B. A, B, these two are connected in parallel VDD. So now in below part, NMOS part, these two are connected in series A, B. But this is for A dot B whole bar. You can take this output. Again we have to implement one more inverter here. one more inverter here to simplifying this one. That inverter input is connected to this one. Here you can collect output voltage VDD VSS. If the Boolean expression does not having complement, you can take 2 times of bar. After that we can implement that logic circuit. In next video we will discuss stick diagrams, how to draw stick diagrams for NMOS, for PMOS as well as CMOS. Thank you all. Subscribe all my channel for getting more videos and forward to your friends to learn more subject. Thank you all.